What up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing an unboxing and review on the Insta360 Flow 2 Creator Kit. This is a little cheaper than the DJI. I don't know what it is, but it's like $1,000, and then, well, I think it starts like $600 or $700, and then it goes up. I'm not spending that money right now. I got this one on Amazon. I think it was like $150. Link will be down below. But we're gonna open up this bad boy. Without further ado, I'm using the mic, by the way. You guys can hear it. Hello? Yeah. So, opening plastic up. Your Pocket AI Filmmaker. I love the texture of the box. See, it's got a little tab here to open. I'm struggling to pick it up. Oh, nice. You guys are gonna get the first look before me. Oh. What will you capture? Fancy. Struggling to take this out. There we go. Quick grip positioning. Oh, here comes, I'm assuming, the phone magnet, camera tracking, iOS, etc. Blah blah blah. I kind of want to see the gimbal first, more than anything. So it comes with this and then this inside of it. Here is the gimbal. Let's just open up the magnet first. Well, this seems a little small. Is this gonna fit my phone? I hope it fits my phone. Or it also has the magnet. Where is the magnet? Oh, nice. Let me see if this sticks on the back of my phone. It sticks, but not strong. Strong enough to where I'm satisfied. It also has this, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the AI thingy. Oh no, this is the light. It has a little bit of a, like, it gives you like a flash. Oh, extension cable, I would assume. I think. I don't know. Let's open up these instructions. Oh, comes with a little baggie. I guess so you could take it with you. Oh, it comes with stickers too. Warranty card, instructions for use, quick start guide. That's the one we want to see. I'm gonna see if this fits on the back of the phone. Bear with me, guys. I'm gonna pause you guys. So I have it actually hooked up here. Where is the quick start guide instructions go? I put the thingy on the back of my phone. I've extended it, put it on the gimbal, turned it on. Oh, I need to connect it to my. So I've got the gimbal working. As you can tell, it's following me with no hands. Really cool. It's actually really fun. I love the AI feature that it has. It comes with a little quick start guide. Definitely recommend going through. My microphone just died. Oh, I don't know what just happened. But yeah. Anywho, definitely recommend. It's great. You have to connect it kind of like an AirPod, and then you can connect it through your Bluetooth, and not an AirPod, kind of like a AirTag. You would tap on it, and then it connects right away. It's very straightforward. I haven't connected yet the whatchamacallit, the lighting thing. I think I can connect it here, if I'm not mistaken. This is I don't know exactly how this works. doesn't show for the light specifically on the quick start guide. But again, I'm going through this as we go. I don't know anything special about this or anything more, but in particular. But the best thing about it is that it follows you. It's not as crazy as a $1,000 gift thingamajiggy or $1,000 DJI thingamajiggy, and it extends kind of like a selfie stick too. It also doesn't have to be AI. You can also do it manually, as you can tell. Let me see here. If I turn this off, now I'm gonna manually do it. If I press, there's a button here that I remember. See, it's automatically moving. I'm manually moving it, whichever way. But yeah, put it back on automatic. Definitely recommend. This, not exactly sure how this is supposed to work. Maybe I just didn't have the guts to push for it. I don't know. Like I mentioned, I don't know exactly how this is supposed to work. Guess we're gonna have to find out because it's like a weird angle. You gotta look that up. But so far, I'm already liking it a lot. The AI feature is great. So yeah, definitely recommend. I'm gonna be using this for multiple videos so we can get better videos out there. Give me a second. So here we're in the Stingray tank. Just wanted to see how this would look while I record. Look at that. Up, down, left, right, down, up. Super cool. Catch everybody. Let's go down. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys how cool this actually is. Really, really happy about this. Definitely recommend. And let's bring this down. Putting in the AI feature so I don't have to do anything. But yeah, definitely recommend, guys. I just love the way it's following me. Okay, anyway, I'm getting distracted. Definitely recommend. Definitely will post more videos using this. It's really straightforward. I think the only thing you want to that probably would take a little second to get is if you want to turn your camera sideways, long ways, you press the little feature on the right side. On the actual joypad pad, there's a little rotating circle that basically says, you know, when you're going to change your camera from front to back, you would just press that twice, and that would really work. And that's all it took. And then for the turn on and off the AI feature, there's a little trigger on the back of where you handheld the device. And on the back of that, you just press that once to turn it on, and then press it to turn it off. And to turn it on, you just have to hold it till it goes beep beep. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for today's video. Anyway, I'm really just having fun with this thing. Look at that. Super cool. Super really it's got my thumbs up of approval. We're gonna keep using this, and hopefully we make much cooler videos with this. Anyway, stay tuned for more. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Definitely recommend. Peace. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.